Good morning, adventure seekers and car lovers. Orcutt Donut Derelicts, May 18th. Now that is one sweet convertible Impala. Cruising in, man. You can't help but look good in that thing. Dude, that was one sweet ride. Be in two counties at the same time even. Another one cruising in. I don't think I've seen around. There you go. One sweet looking ride. Yeah, nice restoration. It's beautiful. Wow. Yeah. Nice looking old Ford. Sweet. Another one over here, 1935. Bonnie and Clyde Mobile. I like that. Racer. Ford F-100. Beautiful red on that truck. Hanger. Looking Bel Air. I'm just cruising on in here. Got no Ford. Nice ball. Down truck. Pinstripes on this. Flamers. Beautiful paint job. Of course, we got red, tire iron. Beautiful paint job on that one, too. Check that thing out. Serious meats in the back of this thing. Nice. 59 Ford F-100. Totally built from the ground up. Nice. Quality items on that thing. What else we got? The Morgan E4. Sweet looking ride. Style with that convertible. Nice station wagon. 200. Modified rear window. This look nice. El Camino. Yes. Cars are out today, folks. Bonus Park in Bradley. Sunday morning. Truck down here. Next week is West Coast Customs weekend. Make sure you don't miss that either. 1964. Put the ride too. They're out. Come in here. Cool Chevy truck. Step side action. A real good job on the bed. GTO. Green machine. El Camino 327. Good looking ride. Doing good. Some rides so far. We have the Mad Max. Best of show, the best rat rod. Cabrillo High School Lompo car show yesterday. The winner, Mad Max. Every detail known to mankind. Don't want to get in Mad Max's way, especially if all you got is a VW Beetle. They'll use you for traction. Talked about detail in this thing. The fire alarms, greenie, extra gas cans, skulls. Nice. Got it all. The winner, Mad Max. Totally different vein in life. 427 Camaro SS. This thing sounds sweet when it rolls in. Ready for street racing action. Like that. Little Bob's 2015 Slingshot SL. 3-wheel action. Get you where you need to go in style. That's for sure. Another beautiful custom truck. 3100. Totally dialed in. This thing has all kinds. additions to it. It's a beauty. Look at that. Bed on that thing. Burn it. Sweet. Right. Got the dead end. Beatnik mobile. Old school, heavy action. What else we got over here? Got an 85-mile-an-hour mini bike. Don't mess around with this thing. It's faster than you think. And one of my favorites, the T-Bag. Love the sound of this thing, the looks, that exposed engine look. T-Bag. One sweet ride. Like that, look. That's a nice ride right there, folks. Messing around. Youngsters are out. Farm use only. Keep that thing on the farm, boy. Read that farm use only. The danger machine with the danger man at the helm. That's one angry machine you got there, young man. An angry machine.
Works like a charm.
Works like a charm. It smells like she wants to run. You run. Plug your radio. Oh, Ricky, race. Nice. Raising this there. Let's stickers. Cool Chevy truck. Pickup truck. El Camino's cruising in again. Good looking ride right there. Like it. Love the looks of this Bronco. Purple, red, black combo. Nice tires with. Man, that thing's nice. Oh, thank you.
Yes,
Yeah, the car show in Aloha. Happy to you too. Come on. I love your ride. Someone cruising Impala. Oh, all the pictures now. Possession's 9/10 of the law, right? You're in the driver's seat now. You're gonna take it off of this thing. You're gonna take it for a little cruise just to strut your stuff. Nice. Yeah, cars are coming out. Getting ready. Nice turnout here. Good looking black Corvette coming in. Got himself a donut. Nice looking cat. Love the design of these things. Never know. Might end up with one. We'll see. Cool Volkswagen truck. Get some real work out of this nice machine. That's right. Beautiful and useful too. That's right. Old school, cool. Collectible. Another convertible that. Love the burgundy. Nice color. Good looking ride. A good job on the vest, that's for sure. Quite a good job. Good job on the Bel Air. Highly collectible machine. There's the Impalas all the time. 657. Got the Dodge. Old car madness. Messing around. Always sounds sweet when it rolls in. Old car muscle. Got the Vetsters. Nice Porsche. Side by side. Competition with these babies. What else we got? School Ford. Bonnie and Clyde mobile. Getting here, folks. And be here. Some new ones I haven't seen. Another good looking ride. Liking that. I don't know if I've seen this one here before. 1929. Check out this old school Bronco, man. Liking that. With a 302 in it. Not sure the year, but sure is cool. Alright, Adventure Seekers. For Sunday morning from around 8 to 10. Orcutt Donut Derelicts. Bradley, owner Dr. Bradley, get yourself on down here. We'll see what you got. Motorcycle, car, truck, we don't care. Free to enter. Might win something. Yeah. I and Ray put this together every week. Come on down, take your name. Might win something at 10 o'clock. You never know. Got Ida's 37 Business Coupe. Ray's Camaro. Both of them built from the ground up. Rust bucket to beautiful works of art. Ray does not mess around when he rebuilds his ride. Another one built from the ground up. Steve's Bel Air. Took him 6 months of love to put this together, but he did a great job. Check out that intake. Piled this thing in. Another one, Z28 rolling in. What a nice ride. Right. Black on white, Bel Air. Totally restored. New edition, Silverado 10. Work truck. Gonna restore this baby. It looks like brand new. Little closer view. Nice Camaro Z28. One with the black racing stripe. Sounding good, looking good. And sweet Impala convertible. 64. Alright, down over here. 1950 Chevy. Missed the year on that. Never showed it to you. Have a little look here. Nice. Done a good job on it, that's for sure. Got the ghost flames and everything. Cruising on in. Valley Sport action. That thing sounds good. Serious meats on the back. Roll caged out. Nice ride. Figueroa Mountain Brewery Special. Kawasaki 125. Competition with the underground. Let it run for its money. Got a fun little machine. Bent Axle Special 1939. Man, had some beautiful lines on the cars back then, huh?
Yeah.
Nothing those square boxes, and man, they made them works of art. Yeah, that's one beautiful looking machine. Had some,
see the engine?
sure. We've had some fun over the years with this one, huh? Oh man, you had to shoehorn that thing in there, but you got it.
It's been together 30 years now.
30 years, it still sounds great when it rolled in.
We've driven it in 5 western states and 3 provinces of Canada.
Oh yeah? So you put the miles on it, huh?
Yeah.
It's a driver.
Yeah.
It's not a garage queen, it's a driver, huh?
It's always been a driver.
What is this, got a 350 or what?
That's a Chevy 350, yeah.
Yeah.
I put the Ford emblem on it just to
confuse people.
Confuse people.
That's right. Yeah, this thing is sweet. You've had it over 30 years, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man. So you must be enjoying it. It's a keeper. That's for sure.
It has an aftermarket chassis under it, so it gives it independent suspension and disc brakes.
Disc brakes, it's got the whole thing, so it's
Rack and pinion steering.
so it drives like a newer car.
Yeah.
That's nice too. Yeah, the older ones will beat you to death on those long trips, but this is probably smooth.
Funny you should mention that. I put 8 years building a 32 Ford Vicky.
Yeah.
And my wife and I went to Bakersfield, the Western Nationals, on a maiden voyage.
Yeah.
And I had Pete and Jake suspension, and that goddamn thing just about beat us to death on 166. I had dual
Yeah.
4 barrels on it. It wouldn't make it to Bakersfield. And a tank of gas, I had to stop in Maricopa and get gas.
Had to top
And
off
it was,
at Maricopa
it was
even,
black.
huh?
It didn't have air.
Oh,
It
yeah?
was 104 in Bakersfield when we got there, so it must have been 140 inside that.
Yeah.
We got home and my wife says, "What are you going to do?"
We're gonna
And I
buy a
said,
different
"Well,
car."
I really missed the mark. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I'll have to tear it apart and bring it back up again.
Uh-huh.
She says, "How long?" And I said, "Oh, a year." She said, 2. And I said, "Probably." She said, "How much?" And I said, "I don't know, 10,000." She said, 20. And I said, "Probably." This had just been built by a professional shop, a small specialty shop. Everything in it was brand new. Engine new, transmission new, suspension was new, air conditioning was new.
So you found your car then?
I ended up selling the 32 for more money than I paid for this. But
Oh, yeah?
boy, what a difference.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Driver out of this thing.
So I've owned this, but I didn't build it.
Yeah.
Back when Nader said Corvairs were unsafe at any speed, I built a bunch of beach buggies.
Yeah. Well, you did
Those were good days.
a good job picking this one. She's a beauty. All right, one of my favorite trucks, the Apache. Rolling in. Fleetside. This truck is not messing around, folks. The Apache does not mess around. Central Coast Cruisers. Fleet side's always sounding good. Oh, another one I haven't seen here is SS 454. Yeah. The amplifiers there for the stereo. There's woofers. Racing shifter. Wow, this one nice looking right there. Hey. Got the carbon fiber action on this one. Nice. Beautiful color too. What year? Yeah? Yeah. Sure makes it pop. The VTEC. Got the street racers out. Longer view of this one. Nice. One good looking ride. One of my favorites, Myers Manx Mini. The Toad. The Toad is alive. Ready for Pismo action. Bare necessities of life. It will get it done right here, folks. Nothing but pure fun. Gotta like Myers Mini design. Highly collectible. Youngsters, Subaru BRZ. Street racing action.
Stunt day, everybody will be there to celebrate.
What else we got going on over here? We got a Chrysler 300 for sale. Never know. Could be yours. $4,200. Nice. Call. Chrysler 300 could be yours. Not a bad price either. Better than do a repair on a car for that kind of money. Alright, what else we got here? CT200 Lexus. Nice looking ride. Alright, the Cuda. The Cuda lives. The Cuda's alive. Not sure if I got this Mustang. This has snuck in on me. It's a good looking ride as well. That's silver. Nice. 65 Ford Mustang. The donut getter survives. Those youngsters hungry for donuts. And feed them. That's the way to get here to do it. Get your stickers. Put yourself on down here. Get yourself a donut. Check things out. Might see some cars that you like. You never know. So you get yourself down here and check it out. So the camera's not gonna do these cars justice. Gotta see them in person. All right, stay tuned. See if you got any more late entries. What's going on? Cruising on in. That special deluxe. Not just deluxe, but special deluxe. They're nice looking Chevys. 4-door Nova. Barn find. Less than 1,000 miles original on this thing. Can't believe it. Scored. Got this one. All original, all garage its whole life. Nice. Way to do it. Barn find, baby. Man, I like the color combo with this old school Cheyenne 20. V8 350. Cruising style and still get some work done with this baby. Talk about a nice looking work truck. This bed's pretty much too nice to do work with, but still get some done if you had to. Give them a restoration on this thing. I'm liking it. Looking good. Dude, sweet looking Chevelle. Yes. Yeah, the color intake. What's that? 454. Nice. Nice. Close up of this. Oh, yeah. Just came in. Impala SS crowd. Man, oh, yeah, nice rims and tires. Slam, nice restoration. You don't see this color combo very much either. Man, that looks sweet. The hydraulic action. Looking good. Chevrolet. Not sure if I got this Malibu. Get her again. 350 action. Definitely didn't get a good look at this Hummer. H2. Beast. The beast of a machine. Nice. Crazy machines. Sounding good. The Ricky Racers are out. Ready for some street racing action. Looking ride down. Sounds good. Show us what you got, street racer. I want to hear that thing. That's right. It's growls. It's alive. Okay, play safe.